Shop tools, tips, and tricks. Today's video is on must-have apps, and these two apps are absolute must. The kicker is, they're also free. So please stay tuned, you won't regret it. You guessed it, today's tool tip is on a phone. It's just as useful as a caliper or any other tool, even a supercomputer. You just use it a little bit differently. The first app we're going to look at today is Trig Solver. It works great on 90 degrees and non-90 degree triangles. It's an awesome tool for when you're walking around the shop and you don't have a scientific calculator on you. Let's take a look and see how it works. Here's a good example of a right angle triangle. Let's try that software out and see how it works. Okay, so we click on the app, we type our variables in. All we need to do is type in two variables. Hit calculate, and the triangle's solved. Here's an example of a question that works really well with the Trig Solver. It's a non-right angle triangle. Let's type it in and see how it comes out. We open our app, switch over to non-right angle triangle, and then we start typing in our variables. Once we have 3 typed in, we hit calculate, and all of the other variables pop up that we're missing. Next up is Photomath. This program is incredibly cool. It will read your handwriting, it'll solve math problems, and it'll also show you how to do it step by step. You guys remember this problem, right? Let's use the Photomath app. Okay, we open up the app. We take a picture of our math problem that we wrote down by hand, and it solves it for you instantaneously. You can go through and find out step by step. But the real cool part is, you can also mail this to somebody in your contacts just by clicking the top right-hand corner button. If you've enjoyed this video, check out my other videos on Shop and Math. These are the best free apps. There'll be more to come. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Have a great day.